Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating permissions and creating a quick backup of the route table and any configuration files. Once done, locate the exact UDR body by name or ID so you know what you will remove. Make sure to note all associations, such as subnets, network interfaces, and policies. This explains why the UDR exists. Start during a low-impact window and inform stakeholders. This prevents surprises. You must act deliberately, because removing the wrong entry can reroute traffic or break connectivity. Now you detach the UDR body from everything that references it. Unassign the route from subnets and NICs, and update any dependent route tables to point to an alternate path. If traffic requires continuity, configure temporary routes or a failover so packets keep flowing. Always test changes in a staging environment first. Once reroutes behave as expected, monitor network logs and telemetry closely to catch latency spikes or dropped packets. Doing this prevents sudden outages when you actually remove the resource. Finally, with associations removed and tests green, delete the UDR body using the Management Console or CLI. You should see a confirmation and no lingering references. Once deleted, verify that route tables show the intended paths and that services pass connectivity checks. Run pings, trace routes, and sample transactions to confirm. If something goes wrong, immediately reattach the backup route or restore from your export check system logs for errors, and use your rollback procedure within the change window to minimize impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.